Morning. I walk out to water Henry. Smell wood burning.
It's snowing ashes, a quiet strain.
Skies an apocalyptic yellow, calm before. Everyone else is sleeping. I wonder what's on fire. Look for a girl in red.
Just thinking of you, just the way you look to me.
Who will read my words remembered?
A thirst that will not cease.
Twas past fall, even yet December.
Mirrors a flame which cannot burn.
We saw her face fall from the
Embers
embers.
awarded with kerosene.
Shall I finally lift her veil?
Exposing a hungry mind, eager to. Sound of a struck bell ringing, radiating. Stretched like molasses, patient. Imagine being snatched by a raptor.
The ocean's blue and happy with my ocean's gray and it lurks in the trees.
Squeezed like a mouse through tree reeds.
What is the most astounding fact you can share with us about the universe? The most astounding fact. The most astounding fact.
I must be a wonderful man. Oh, it's hard to be humble, but I'm doing the best that I can. Some folks say that I'm egotistical, but I don't even know what that means. I guess it has something to do with the way that I feel I'm not skin not breathing.
Imagine the sound of the earth breaking. It would split where the river is. Water would drown itself in the fall. The fall would drown the sound. The trembling like a breathing magnified. And you wonder, was all this just a crumb? An ever expanding crumb. Light takes so long to reach us, and still I imagine a sound when night makes noise while sleeping, a song of survival in a storm of madness.
But I don't want to go among mad people.
Oh, you can't help that. Most everyone is mad. I've been here before.
I forgot their names, and you never heard them. The cowboy was looking down at the table, pulling at a flower in the centerpiece. He had ceased to smile.
Don't go left on 76.
There it is, Wendy. Second star to the right and straight on till morning.
As each day arises anew, a feeling that I miss in you.
I just miss you.
You filled me up for days on end, turned a corner, separation, taking opposite bends.
To see you now, your beauty transcends another level I can never gain for lack of aim.
I want to see some change. That's all I want to see. Yeah. This one goes out to my grandfather. Rest in peace, I fold my hands to the Holy Father. I know you hear all my thoughts and my prayers. When I die, I just hope you let me in upstairs. Yeah.
Upward from the pavement as the kitchen does in the car box where a door is slammed. Where the car you go?
Remember that one time?
Okay, now we're down to the real coconut.
Right when you wake up.
I don't even know what that means. I've been here before.
I remember just like cruising down.
Because this is where I've been my whole life. Like, this is where I'll be forever.
I hear the river flowing by like there's no...
Grandpa's on his way home. She lifts her sad eyes towards me, welcoming me to heaven's glory.
Bless her on top of my word. The words of this live in life.